Individuals born in Uganda with at least one parent or grandparent belonging to an indigenous community residing within Uganda's borders as of February 1st, 1926, as listed in the third schedule of the Constitution. These are Ugandans who were living within the borders of Uganda at the time of partition of Africa. When they partitioned, that is the time, and that was 1st February 1926. And two, individuals born in or outside Uganda with at least one parent or grandparent who was a citizen of Uganda by birth at the time of their birth. So you can be a citizen of Uganda if one of your parent or grandparent is a Ugandan.